Last date for choice entry. So students, all of you who have participated in the KCET 2024 counseling and have been allotted a seat in the round 1, please remember today is the last date to make your choice. So yes, let's check the details. So as you can see, this schedule was post allotment schedule was updated in the KEA website. Exercising choices by the seat allotted candidates. The start date was 31st August 11 am and the end date was 3rd September 11:59 pm. So today is the date where you have to make your choices based on like what you want to do. There are 4 choices: choice 1, choice 2, choice 3 and choice 4. So whichever is your whichever you are willing to do, please make the choices. It is because very important, if you do not respond, if you do not make any choices, then automatically you will be out of the counseling process. Your seat will be cancelled and you cannot further participate in this counseling process. Okay, so please remember, it is very important. Today you must select out of the any 4 choices. Those who have been allotted the seat, please make any one of the choices. Okay, now if you remember other details, so payment of fees by only choice 1 candidates. For you, the last date is 4 September 4 pm, that is tomorrow. Downloading of admission order, here it is 5th September 2024, the last date. And the last date for reporting to allotted college by choice 1, fee paid admission order candidates only. So this one for reporting to the college, the last date is 5th September before 5:30 pm. Okay, now coming to the choices that is available. Once again, I'll explain all the choices. So for choice 1, that means you are 100% happy with the college, you want to join the college, and you do not like, if you select choice 1, you cannot participate in the further rounds of counseling and you need to pay the fees of the college. So choice 2, in this case, if you are happy with the allotted college but you want to participate in the next rounds for further improvement, you need to select choice 2. Here definitely you can participate in the second, like next rounds of counseling, and you need not pay any fees right now. Okay, now if you are selecting choice 2, you will be having a seat, and in the next round if you get a better seat, that is fine, but if you are not getting, still you can hold the seat that is you have got in the round 1. Now coming to the choice 3, in this you are not interested in the allotted seat, so you want to reject that seat and then you are going to participate in the next round of counseling. So here you can participate in the next round of counseling, but you cannot pay like you need not pay any fees here. But here you must remember very important one, that if you do not get any seat in the next round also, then the seat that you got in this particular round 1, that will also be not there with you, that is also you have rejected. So you are having no seat if you are not getting any seat in the next rounds. Okay, so please remember, be very cautious while taking this decision. Choice 3 can be little risky if you do not get any seat in the next round. Okay, now coming to choice 4, that you have taken admission in some better college, you want to withdraw from this counseling process. In that case, you can select choice 4. In this case also, you will not be considered for the next round of counseling and you need not pay any fees. Okay, so choice 1 candidates, so those students who have been allotted a seat, please select any one of these choices. That is very important, so that you are not missing out from this counseling process. Okay, so yes, that's all in this video. It was an important reminder. Today is the last day to make the choice entry. Please do it, whichever, make proper decision, talk with your parents, discuss with your guide, and then do the proper and the correct choice for you. Okay, so yes, if you have further any doubts, please comment down, we'll definitely address it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe the channel for more updates.